today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Guys, I don't know if you watched this White House Crypto Summit yesterday, which was literally the biggest disappointment I have ever seen. But what if I told you that if we are actually looking into the charts, there is the literal final boss in front of us. I want to talk about what this could mean for Bitcoin, for crypto in the immediate short term. This pattern, which is there, which is about to break within 48 hours, it's literally the final boss. I want to tell you exactly how to predict in what direction we are going to break out and what the price target is. What did I ever do with my 74 million US dollar Bitcoin trade? We will talk about that. Let's go straight into it. And yes, guys, you probably, before I go into the charts, before I go into the trades, you watched the big crypto summit yesterday, and well, it was disappointing, right? But there was everything they showed us in the TV was very disappointing. But I think they talked before, and at least there's some hope left that some valuable things were pushed there, because what they said on TV was just nothing. It was a huge nothing burger. But I just saw today that something leaked from Saylor, and that he seemingly proposed strategies how to buy Bitcoin. They did mention in that strategic reserve, in the executive order, that they are going to buy additional Bitcoin. And Saylor was proposing here that 5 to 25% should be bought within the next 10 years. Well, if that's true, obviously that would be very bullish, yada yada, but we are through this already, right? I think you and me, all of us, we are through it. We want to see action. But I can tell you one thing, this action will take longer than we all want. Even if this is confirmed word by word by them now, which it is with an executive order, we need Congress to approve the budget and all of these things. It will take months, right? Just have to admit how it is. And because of this very disappointing White House Summit, I closed half of my trades. So yes, my big trade, 30 million US dollar trade for Bitcoin is still open, but the short-term trade, I closed it, right? And I closed it during that stream yesterday. But dear ladies and gentlemen, the big final boss is still ahead of us. This is the 4-hourly pattern for Bitcoin. A symmetrical triangle, which it will break until Monday night. This will break, listen guys, until Monday night for sure. The question will be, we are right now at support. Will it break towards the upside? Will it break towards the downside? Well, I want to tell you exactly the statistical likelihood and the Bitcoin price target. Before I am doing so, dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I am just as annoyed as you are currently. But I was going through 3 bull markets. I'm in this space for 8 years. Every correction in every bull market always feels like it's the end of the bull market. Just hang in guys. But I can tell you one thing, this is the final boss. And this isn't a symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern. We are going bearishly into it, so the likelihood should be higher to break towards the downside than towards the upside, because it is a continuation pattern. If we work to break towards the downside, 72,000 US dollars should be the price target. If you take the less conservative one, which is always the one I prefer, we would look at 74,000 US dollars, whereas the bullish price target would be 104,000 US dollars, round about the levels where I took 10 million US dollar profits on my long-term trade already in December 2024. This is all I can share with you right now. This is what the chart shows me. We already annoyed at the news, so let's look at the chart, let's exclude all the noise, and we know exactly when A happens, we do A. It goes down. 74,000, we need to confirm, break towards the downside. Yes, that would close the last CME gap. If we are breaking towards the upside, $104,000 US, the level where I took my last profits, would be the bullish price target. Let me know what you think about that, and let me know what you think about the White House Crypto Summit, this very disappointing one where everyone was basically just holding the huge balls of Donald Trump and kissing his A. Really, like it was kind of disappointing. Let me know what you think about that, dear ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see you very soon in the next one. As always, bye bye.